When we talk about research, we mean carefully analyzing and evaluating the projects you are considering to invest in, including the team behind the project, the technology, and the market demand. Researching very carefully the coin or token you want to invest in is a crucial step in managing the risk in the cryptocurrency market. This type of research is known as fundamental analysis, and it involves looking at the underlying technology, team, use case, and the overall market conditions of a coin or token. When researching a coin or token, it is important to consider these aspects. First, the technology behind the project. Is the technology well established and widely used, or is it a new, unproven concept? Second, the team behind the project. Are the team members experienced and reputable in their field? Third, the use case of the coin or token. Does the project have a clear and realistic use case? And finally, the overall market conditions. How does the coin or token perform in comparison to similar coins or tokens in the market? By researching a coin or token very carefully, you can gain a better understanding of the potential risks and rewards associated with investing in it. This can help you make more informed investment decisions and ultimately help you manage risk in the cryptocurrency market. In addition to your own in-depth research, there are several other ways to manage risk in the cryptocurrency market. Keeping yourself up to date is one such managing risk technique.